do you mean you love collecting watch but you don't have the watch? Hi guys, we are at
SNS Hotel.
SLS Hotel, and what are we doing, Daddy?
I'm going to do the unboxing.
Of what?
I don't know what yet, but I'm sure it is.
Ooh, there's a red bag. Kanino galing? Who gave you that red bag?
This is actually a gift from you.
Gift from me. We are now at the SLS Hotel, Dubai.
I have the idea which one is this, but let me do the unboxing. Oh, unboxing time! Here you go. I have one box here. Look.
Wow! I'm so jealous of the stamp. I like that stamp.
See, it's with candle stamp.
The candle stamp, which is a signature Cartier
Yeah.
stamp.
Look.
Blush.
Look. Remove the wax. Ta-da! Removing the ties. Showing what it is now. See, it's very nice. Yeah. Ta-da! The red box.
Are you ready? Excited?
Of course. But wait.
Wait, there's
There's
more.
Before I open that, this one's first.
Oh,
Card
what's
from Cartier.
this? What's this? Can
Okay,
you see?
this is a
The Cartier logo, and
Cartier.
there's a love letter
This love letter
from
Sugar.
Sugar.
Dear Spice, for all the Cartier products you have already gifted me, this is no much, but I want you to have it anyway, to add to your watch collection. You've always wanted this, and I hope you are happy to get it and treasure forever. It signifies that our love can stand the test of time. Love you, Sugar.
Woohoo! Wait, don't move.
So sweet. I know already. It's watch. It's mentioned.
Ah, yeah.
Of course, obviously the box.
Obviously, he's a watch collector. Ay, sasama pala ako. He's a watch collector, so mega explain.
La la la.
He's a watch collector.
Watch
He
collect-
loves collecting watches.
I love collecting watch,
Like
but
a
I don't have
watch
the.
mo.
But I don't have the watch.
What do you mean you love collecting watch but you don't have the watch? Oh, ito na. Wait.
Joke. Collecting, but I don't have
2,
watch.
1, go! Tara!
Ta-da!
Don't cover your face.
Taran taran.
Wow! Parang
So nice.
Parang pareho.
Iba, balloon yan. This is what you call Santos watch. Okay.
Sukat na yan.
Wait. This is the watch, and let's see the one inside.
He gave me this. This is the balloon blue.
Huwag mo na yung extra yan. It's a strap.
It's leather.
Leather
Color
strap. It's
black.
a brown.
brown ba yan?
It's a brown. The one inside is the black. As you can see, it's not. And tool pin. And
What's that tool pin for?
to adjust your watch. I'll show you later when I change it. See? This is the buckle for the extra strap. I'll show you how to change later. And there is a warranty card where the individual number is written there, and then the watch reference. The individual numbers should match in this individual number on this watch.
The serial number on the card should match the number on the watch. Ayan.
Yeah. And then this is the Cartier Care. How do you use it? This is very useful because you need to register the watch.
Oh, I haven't registered this watch.
You need to register the watch. You have to register the watch once you purchase or receive a watch from Cartier.
Why?
Because normally there are 2 years warranty only. But if you register it, it will become 8 years warranty.
Oh, 8 years? That's great.
Yes,
2
it's
years?
alright. Something happened to your watch, like a mechanical or any other, except the battery, because the battery is, you need to pay.
You have to pay
Alright,
for the
yeah,
battery,
battery.
but mechanical faults, they are
Mechanical
covered
faults,
by warranty.
it's covered by Cartier. Anything missing or something which is not your fault, it's the Cartier fault, they will do something about it. Alright, if it's because of your negligence or misuse of this product, you will not get anything. That's the general rule for the warranty, as always. Right, let me try. This is
Okay,
different.
while he's trying, I'm gonna read to you some background about the watch.
This Santos watch is derived from the aviator inventor Albert Santos Dumont.
The inventor of the watch. He's talking
He's not the
about.
inventor of the watch, he's the inventor of the plane.
Inventor of the plane is Albert Santos.
It's not, he,
Even the Wright brothers invented the plane.
I know, but he designed so many planes.
Designed, not invented.
But he's also inventor.
Okay.
Alberto Santos Dumont has been an audacious inventor. His studies in engineering, physics, chemistry, mechanics, electricity gave him the knowledge to design his own machines. Designer, he's a designer. He met Louis Cartier in the Cartier. Louis Cartier is member in Aero Club de France in 1900. So they met each other there, and from then on, Louis Cartier named one of the watch designed by him and designed for him after the discussion about the difficulty. Well, yeah, something like that. All right. Right now, let me try this one. Another watch. It's big for me, but I will adjust it later.
Wow. Wait.
Is it good?
Yeah, it looks good on your hand. It looks so
Let me
classic.
show you how to change it. Like this, how to remove.
He is now changing the...
Press this one. There's press and lift it up. Wait. Okay, now I remove it. This is easily removable strap, but it's very secure. Don't you worry about it. Okay. Alright, this is how.
Huwag mo ilalayo dyan kasi nakafocus siya sa box.
Okay. And now the watch is like barely like this. I don't know how to return now. Alright, let's see the strap and change.
You want to change it to the leather strap.
I don't like the color of the strap because it's brown. I'm not fan of the brown color. Alright, return it like this.
So what are you doing now?
I'm putting it on. See, it's secure now.
Brown pala siya. Black
Brown
yung
color.
loob. Can you also use black?
No, because
isa
there
lang.
is like an
May
embossed something reference.
So you like brown or
No,
it
I
only
need to
comes in
order.
brown?
It only comes with brown. But you can still use it if you prefer brown. I need to order a new strap.
Yeah, the strap doesn't look too cool. It's so light. If you're wearing a brown suit, black would be good.
This is not actually for like
Taga-repair din po to ng watch. May part-time. We can do part-time watch repair. So if you're looking for watch repair, call us.
No, it's not true. I will not do that. It's not true. So it's secure now. Again, and this how then interlock in here. Just push. Okay. Now I did it. And now this is how to put the strap. Just slip it in. Of course, you have to adjust the length you wanted to. Now this is the watch.
Woohoo!
Look at my watch.
Very
I have a new
nice.
watch.
Yeah.
But the strap looks light, but it's also good.
Looks
However,
good.
it's
But let me
on
get.
it's on pro, so it's close up. Yes, guys. Ganyan, ganyan. Look, guys.
We are now a Cartier fan. Cartier fan. Okay, this is the steel strap. This is the steel strap. As you can see, there are like small buttons here. Small buttons. It's very easy to change. You don't need to call any repair or something, repairman, to remove the what you call this strap. Link, to remove the link. Yeah, you can see. You just need to press that. Nakita nyo? Did you see? You just press. Look.
You can see there are 2 bars that went up when he pressed that link.
Kasi may plastic. That's why there is plastic. I have to remove the plastic pa. Plastic. Remove. Okay, remove the plastic. Now return. It's easy return. Then press on the other side so that it will be balanced. See the 12 o'clock? 12 o'clock, it should be like this. There's like a pressing in the wrist. It's the lock mechanism, you need to press here and should be put together like this. See the 12 o'clock? First like this, put it inside. Now locked. On this side too. Okay, now I got the right size.
So he's done
adjusting
adjusting the strap, and it now fits his hand
Yeah, nalobat po,
very
nalobat
well.
eh.
We are now having couple watches. So here is the diagram on their website. Where is the visible screw? Yan, visible screws. And show mo na, yeah, it's a contrasting match between matte
And shiny.
and shiny. Finish. Then a square dial with rounded angles. The design of this watch refers to the stylistic intuition of a jeweler who dares to show what others hide, such as the screws. So Santos de Cartier, I don't know what's his name. Albert
Alberto.
Santos dared to show off the screws, but other people hide them.
Screw. These are the screw.
We will be reviewing more products if we get. So far, our Cartier products, the first one he gave me is the Trinity ring. Then, this is the Trinity ring. Then, the balloon blue watch. And then, the Just and Glue. Okay, that's a wrap. Are you happy with your watch?
Of course, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for any updates.